What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, we have another edition with a 5-in-1 wireless charging station, the D5, that does have some interesting properties in a compact package that allows you to charge your phone, your watch, gives you a display, and even charge your headphones on the back all wirelessly. Basically, it is a very simple package, not a lot of details on this, but you can see right here that this will charge phones up to 25 watts with that Qi2 wireless charging, 5 watts for earbuds, and 2.5 watts for the watch. So just a quick video for you guys today. I'll throw the links up down below if you care to pick this up. This isn't sponsored in any way. I genuinely thought it was a cool looking product, and since we have a ton of accessories, I thought this would be a great ad for the channel. Now, as you can see, this is going to be your new cube. It looks very neat. You have that display right on the top. It feels very well built, but it's not too heavy, luckily. And you can see exactly what it says. So you have your watch charger on the side, which you'll be able to pop out and use. This tips up and away. You will be able to use your earphones in the back there. You can see the cooling behind it, and we will touch more on this in a second. Also in the package is a nice braided USB-C to USB-C cable, and then also a power delivery 45-watt charger. So very simple. It is a gallium nitrate charger, hence the size difference, which is going to be nice to use to charge everything up you need. And then you obviously have all of your reading materials. Not too much is really needed here unless you need info on how to use the display. But we'll go ahead and set this to the side right now and take a look at this baby again. So we'll take the screen protector off. And again, as you can see, you do have that nice little round display here. You will have, again, your phone charger right up top. That's going to be the one that obviously says Qi2 25 watts. And then again, one input for the USB Type-C charger and your headphones on the back, like we said prior. So there's not a ton of adjustable angles. Even though it looks like this will move around, it doesn't. You can simply just kind of pivot it up and down for whatever angle you want, but that is the angle that it maximizes at. So you do have a little symbol here that says touch. Hopefully the camera will pick that up. But other than that, it is a charger. So let me go ahead and plug this in and we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. We got the 45-watt charger plugged in. You can see the display powered up. And then now you'll be greeted with your total input and what's being used. What you probably just noticed is, yes, the watch charger is automated, and you can activate it by long pressing the side panel here for a couple seconds, and it'll retract if you want, or obviously if you long press it again, it will come back out. Just takes a couple seconds. Very cool design. If you want, you can also just tap on the side here, and it will give you a clock. You can tap again, it'll turn it off, or keep what your usage is currently. So what I'm going to do is actually take my watch off really quick and put this right on top, and you'll see it's charging, and it was recognizing a watch is in the spot right now, and it's charging at 1 watt. Also, like I said too, if you want, you can take your iPhone or whatever you want to use as your device, pop it right on top, and that will start charging as well, and it is showing you that that is being charged at 1.5 watts. Not too much else to it. Again, here is the maximum angle, just so you can kind of see exactly what it looks like when sitting down on a table, if that's what you're going to be using it for. And again, you can put your headphones on the side, and as usual, you can take your AirPods and put it right in the back. And this is what the entire setup looks like right there. So I changed the camera angle so you guys can get a little bit of a better look down at it. And again, this is kind of what you can expect for your angle and the display as well. So the display itself is obviously not touchscreen. However, if you need to trigger it, you just press it on the side and you will see exactly what is charging. I'm going to go ahead and put the phone back on and slide the camera down for you guys, and you can get a better look at exactly how that operates. You can see exactly what everything's charging at, what it's looking at. 12 volts in, 3 amps. It's charging the watch case at 3 watts, 1.2 for the watch, and then 2.9 right now for the phone itself. I will say you can hear the fan running ever so slightly. I wouldn't say it's interfering or really that noticeable, honestly, but I do think this would be a nice travel companion if you needed, where you can just simply take it and go as you want. And while there are a lot of other chargers on the market, this is not the slimmest one, but it is definitely going to be possibly one of the most unique since it has that display. So like I said, I'll throw the link up down below in the comments. If it's something you're interested in, definitely pick it up. Let me know what you think if you have one, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.